Okay, now starting with the sixth question, which is this. It says triangle AB and ACD are congruent. So I'll write the question. In question it is given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, and in two proof triangle ADE should be similar to triangle ABC. This you have to prove. It is given ABC is congruent and we have to prove this similar. AD is similar to triangle ABC. Now if it is congruent, if you remember in 9th standard we have already learned, if it is congruent we can say corresponding sides and angles are also equal. So if it is congruent we can say AB equal to AC, AB will be equal to AC, right? Similarly AE will be equal to AE, A will be equal to AD, A will be equal to AD, and if you want BE also, BE will be equal to CD, BE equal to CD by CPCTC, by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Now you want answer AD and ABC should be congruent. AD means this small triangle and AB means this big triangle. ABC and this small triangle should be similar. It means if I want similar, it should be proportional. AD upon AB should be equal to AE upon AC. If it is proportional, and one thing is there, in both the triangle angle A is common. So if it means if I am getting two sides, I will get the answer. In both the triangle angle A is common. So in both the triangle angle A is common. I want only two sides now, which is this and the bigger two sides. If AB upon AD, if you observe, AB upon, so if I write this as, let's say I write this as AD is equal to AE, same thing only. If I write this way, AB upon AD will be equal to AC upon AE. So I will get this. You observe this equation 1 and equation 2. AB upon AD will be equal to AC upon AE, because they are equal. So obviously if you divide, they will be still equal by equation 1 and equation. By dividing 1 and 2, AB upon AD will be equal to AC upon AE. Okay, now if AB upon AD is there and AC upon A is there, angle A is also common and angle A is common. Therefore triangle ADE will be similar to triangle ABC, because AB upon AD is this, AB upon AD is this, AC upon AE is this, and angle A common. So by side angle side, triangles are congruent. By side angle side, triangles are similar. They are similar. They are similar triangles. So we got this answer. Okay. Now question number 7. Diagram is given. Yes, it is given in question. So we'll draw the diagram first. C A E D P B, here 90 degrees there, here also 90 degrees there. Okay, this is the diagram given in the question, and it is given in question that AD and CE are altitude. Obviously it is altitude. 90 degree means altitude only. I have to prove given is AD and CE are altitudes. To prove triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. First, second is triangle ABD is similar triangle CBE. Third is triangle AEP is similar triangle ADB. Fourth is triangle PDC is similar triangle BEC. There are 4 things asked in this question, so one by one we will check. For AEP and CDP, proof in triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Now you have to find, are we getting angle or not. First, always whenever you are proving any two triangles similar, try to find angle. Then AEP, AEP, this triangle, and CDP, CDP. In both the triangle, in this triangle also, in this triangle also, this will also be 90. So angle, this you can say 1, here 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. In both the triangle, angle 90 is the angle 1 equal to angle 2, 90 degree. And vertically opposite angle, so I can say angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Therefore, by angle, triangle AEP is similar triangle CDP. So then first one, a second one, this was the first. Second one is ABD, triangle ABD and triangle CBE. In both the triangle ABD and CBE, ABD is ABD. In ABD also you have 90. ABD triangle, this is 90, let's say 5. And CBE, let's say this 6. So in ABD also, ABD, this 90 is there, and CBE, this also 90 is there. So angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Now check. Now one more thing, ABD and CBE. In both the triangle, angle B is common. Check. ABD, angle B is there, and in CBE also angle B is there. So angle B is common. Angle B is common, and this is 90 degree. So by angle, triangle ABD is similar triangle CBE. This way, third and fourth also you have to do. Same way, you have to find two angles, so you will get it. Check AEP and ADB. AEP 90 degree, ADB 90 degree. So one angle 90 degree you got, and in AEP and ADB you have AEP and ADB. In both you have angle A common. Check. AEP have angle A and ADB also have angle A. So angle A comes. So by angle also this is done. Similarly, PDC and BEC. PDC 190 degree. BEC also have 90 degree. Now one angle you got. PDC is this and BEC is this. So both have angle C common. So your angle C is equal to angle C. Here was angle A is equal to angle A and 90. Here angle A and 90 degree. Here angle C and angle C common and 90 degree. Okay, so this two I have not done, but I have explained how you will do it. Still, if you have doubts, let me know. Now moving to the 8th sum, it is important. So let us first draw the diagram. Diagram is not given. Is a point on a side AD produce of a parallelogram ABCD. So there is a parallelogram ABCD. So first I will draw a parallelogram. E is a side produced on AD. So it is a produced on AD. So AD is over here. Understand the diagram first. E is a point produced on AD. So means A, B, C, D, or I can write over here only. If I take A and D over here, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. It should be in a cycle. A reason I have taken AD in down because it is given E is a point on AD produced to AE. AD produced to E. So AD produced to E will be here. E is over here. And it says B intersect at point B and CD intersect at point F. BE and CD intersect at point F. You have to prove ABE should be equal to CFB. So AEB should be equal to CFB. So you have to prove this triangle and this triangle equal. See the diagram, it is complicated, little tricky. Again check how I drawn the diagram. E is a point on side AD. Produce means extended. AD extended. That's why I've taken AD down so I can extend it. So always understand this way. Or you draw it here straight, it will be correct. But AD should be in a straight line. AD I can draw here also, but this is easy for understanding. So it is written AD produced to E, so means AD produced to E. E is a point. AD produced, so E is produced with AD. So AD is produced to E, and it says ABCD is parallelogram. So I've drawn ABCD. It should be in a cycle. ABCD, and CD and BE intersect at point F. So this is I've drawn. We have to prove this triangle and this triangle should be similar. How we can prove it? First thing, given ABCD is parallelogram. To prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. This you have to prove, CFB. Now in triangle ABE and CFB, you have to find first what are the two angles equal. Can we say opposite angle A is equal to angle C, because it's a parallelogram, so angle A is equal to angle C. Okay, in this we can say angle A is equal to angle C, and angle E, we have to prove AB, right? AB is this, AB. So angle E will be equal to angle B. Alternate angle are equal because this is parallel line, this is transversal. This is parallel line, this is transversal. So alternate angle will be equal. This will be a transversal, a Z. This is parallel line, this is transversal. Alternate angle equal. So angle B is equal to angle E, AIA, and here opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. I will not written that clear, but understand it is opposite angles are equal in parallelogram and by AI. So by angle, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Hence proved. So 8th one is done. Now moving with the 9th question. 9th question, diagram is given. It is, first I'll draw the diagram. It is 6.39. Okay, this is the diagram. So I'll draw the diagram.